How do you make over $5,000 in just 15 minutes of trading? I'm Evelyn Morgan, a professional trader with a win rate of over 90%. And right now, you're about to learn my most effective strategy for binary options. Just yesterday, members of my club used this strategy and made over $990,000 in one session. Watch this video carefully until the end and follow every step to see the same kind of results in your account. Alright, we've set up our main players for today. The platform is ready and we'll add some indicators. For today, we're using the RSI and stochastic. Let's tweak the settings to make them clearer. Setting RSI to 10 and adjusting styles. With stochastic, we'll just change the styles. Done. By the way, if you're unsure about any settings, feel free to ask me via the link in the description. Let's get to it. Starting off today with 75. Here we can see a strong downtrend. The indicators are in the lower zone, but they're not signaling a reversal yet. So we'll stick with the trend. So why use indicators? They help us stay as safe as possible. RSI and stochastic are two of my favorites. They almost never let me down. Let's put them to the test today. Just as I thought, right on target. Let's keep going. Checking the situation here. First, we'll look at the chart, then confirm with the indicators. In this case, there is a downtrend following a correction. The RSI line reaches the middle, signaling the end of the correction and a continued downward move. While we wait, let me explain the RSI indicator a bit more. It's useful for spotting when to go up or down, and it can even signal an upcoming rise or fall. Super handy. And once again, we nailed it! Who's up next? Oh, it's Apple. Following the trend after a correction, we should be moving up. Checking the indicators, and we're in. Think I'm just lucky? You can start making money like this right now. Just join my trading club and follow my signals, which have over a 90% win rate. I post them daily, completely free, but spots are limited. Click the link below the video to see for yourself. And once again, the forecast came through. Our analysis was spot on. Let's keep it going. Next up, we've got everyone's favorite, McDonald's. Going up with the trend again. We can see the candles moving up strongly with minor pullbacks. Indicators back up my thoughts. Let's give it a try. Now let's talk about the stochastic indicator. It's really helpful for spotting a trend reversal quickly, whether it's shifting from an uptrend to be a downward trend or vice versa. Super useful in our field. Whew, that was close to a miss, but it all ended the way we needed. Moving on, back to our first pair. The situation has shifted, and now we're moving up since there was a recent push and we reached a new high. The indicators don't show a reversal. They're continuing upward, so we're expecting the trend to keep going. Today I'm giving temporary free access to my most exclusive strategies with a 100% win rate. Check out these happy reviews from club members who have tried these strategies for themselves. You can achieve the same success and finally get everything you've been dreaming of. The links in the description and the pinned comment. Another smart forecast. Awesome. We've got another pair. Here we need to go down with the trend. The candles suggest we're going to break the level. When analyzing, you need to consider a lot of nuances, which can be hard to understand at first. That's why it helps to work with an experienced expert. Perfect! Everything went just as planned. Time for the final round. It's Apple again. We're going in at the high and moving down. Every time we reach this level, the indicator highs get lower and lower. This is called divergence. It signals a reversal. Smart moves bring great results. And that's all for today. Stop losing money in trading. I'm ready to hand you my top binary options strategies, the same ones that keep my account steady above $1 million, letting me live my dream life. Join my trading club right now and get access to strategies with a 100% success rate. Spots are limited. Links in the description.